Hello, guys. It is Kate back with the Earn Network, the leading and your favorite DeFi platform for all your staking needs. As always, we are backed by leading investors such as Marana, Bixen, J Square, LD Capital. We have over 6,500 active stakers on our platform. You guys have reached almost 13 million in stake value, and we have distributed over 1 million in rewards to our stakers. We do support over 100 assets at the moment, so check them all out. Today, we will be talking about DeFi and NFT staking. This is a unique product which allows anyone to create a staking pool and add rewards to it in just a few short clicks. A cool thing is that rewards can be added to any available chain by anyone to any staking pool. That helps make it the perfect place to support your favorite project in the community. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you the reward adding process. Also very simple, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. So the first thing we're going to do is head on over to the pool to which we want to add our reward. Let's scroll down. Let's see which one we can do. Maybe let's do Robin today. Click view. Okay, and we're in the Robin staking pool. If you scroll down, you can see the add reward button on the bottom right. But first, we will have to connect our wallet, of course. Okay, we have successfully signed in to our wallet. Now let's head on down and click the add reward button. Okay, the first thing is you're gonna select your blockchain. Let's do Chronos for this one. You guys can select any you prefer. Okay, now to provide the smart contract address down here, we're going to have to head on over to, let's say, CoinGecko and get the address from there and copy it on over. So if you guys would like to head on over here and copy the address, I'm going to add the earn token. Under info, we have the contract address. Click the ellipses and you guys can copy, if you're doing the Chronos blockchain like I am, the Chronos smart contract address. Now let's go back to the Earn network and just paste the address right over here. Okay, we do also have to select the token standard right over here, expand this tab, and you can select ERC20 if you would like to have a token as a reward, or ERC721 or ERC1155 if you guys would like some kind of NFTs. So that is up to you. We're going to do ERC20. And if you hover over the question mark, of course, you have a little explanation in case you get lost. Okay, now underneath, we can choose if we would like our reward to be locked or flexible. If we choose a locked reward, then the user who wishes to claim it will have to lock up for the exact amount of days which we will input on the bottom. If we choose flexible, then all stakers will start earning right away for the time which we deploy the reward. Let's choose the start and end date. Click on the calendar, or you can type it in by yourself. Let's do tomorrow as the start date. Now notice, guys, when you click, the green square will not change because it is set to today. So just check under the start date if your date has changed. And then the end date, maybe let's do, I don't know, August 24th. All right, so it has changed in the boxes. Now scroll down and we will type in the total rewards that we would like to distribute. Once again, you have little question marks everywhere to further explain each section to you in case you get a little bit lost. Let's do 1,000 earn tokens and click save. Okay, reward saved successfully. Cool. We just have one more step before deploying the reward. Of course, we will have to pay for it, but over here in the middle, you guys see there's an access tab. You guys have control over who can see the reward and take part in it. If you click edit, you can either choose public so that everybody is able to see and participate in your reward, or if you click over here and then switch to permission via token, only people with certain tokens or NFTs in their wallet can take part in your rewards. So that's all up to you guys. Then you can, of course, choose which token standard they have, just like we did previously, the blockchain, and everything that you see here. And you can save your permissions. I'm going to leave it as public so everybody can participate. On the right side, we have the payment section. You guys can switch the payment currency. I do have a promo code. Maybe some of you will have a promo code as well. Or you can pay either in earn or in USDT for this one. Of course, per usual, by using the earn token, you can save some money because you do have a discount code. Okay, let's click pay now and confirm the transaction in our wallet as usual. Okay, we have successfully paid for our reward. Let's refresh. Now all that is left to do is click the green rectangle to deploy our reward. You guys can double check everything, and if you're satisfied, click deploy and confirm. And that's it. We have successfully deployed our reward. Let's refresh one more time. Okay, now you can see your reward performance, your total rewards, how many have been already distributed, how many participants and active participants there are. You will have a nice graph right here. The reward hasn't started yet because it will start tomorrow. Remember, we chose tomorrow as the starting date, so we can come back the next day or whenever you guys choose to start your reward and check everything out. If you scroll down, you have your reward parameters. Everything is nicely displayed for you. Also, hover over the question marks and receive more detailed information if something is unclear to you. And then you have the reward transactions. Now let's scroll back up, and if we head on over to the Creator Lab by clicking the green rectangle on the top right over here, you guys have Creator Lab. You can see all of your rewards nicely displayed for you, and then click View if you want to head on over to the reward again. Let's head back to the main page. Now, as always, guys, we have a lot of top crypto gems here. You guys can check everything out. As I've said in the beginning, we have over 100 assets available for you. So we're adding many new gems all the time. You guys can come check everything out and choose what works best for you. At the bottom, as always, is our white paper, our earn token, and articles and updates, which we would love for you guys to check out as we do update them frequently so you all know what is going on at the Earn Network. Also, if you guys would like to calculate something for your rewards, we will add a Google draft sheet where users can calculate their rewards. So check that out. And on the bottom right, as always, click the little circle and you guys can contact our customer support to ask anything that might be of concern to you or to just drop us a message if you guys want to have a quick chat with us. And that is it for this video. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one.